Hey, thanks for joining me on Pagosa Adventures. Well, I wasn't intending to make a video this week, but I thought I would jump on here and clarify something because I need to call Leisure Travel Vans and find out if what I put in last week's video is actually true. So if you watched last week's video, which is why it makes so much sense to buy a used Leisure Travel Van in 2023, which I still think that makes a lot of sense. One of my reasonings was you may get a Unity without the upgraded features of the MB chassis, such as that large 10.25-inch nav screen, which is a beautiful screen. That's because on Instagram there was a photograph of Dean sitting in a Leisure Travel Van 23 model at a show, and he's and that particular LTV has a 5-inch screen, which is the basic screen inside the Sprinter chassis. LTV always upgrades their chassis to all of those premium features like that big screen, adaptive cruise control, all of the safety features, right? And I said it may not be a good idea to order because you may not get you get all of the features that say I have in my 2020 model. Now then, somebody on Facebook said they called Leisure Travel Vans and asked, and they said, no, we just made a few show units with that smaller screen. Apparently, maybe that's the only chassis they could get at the time to make some of these 23 show models. Well, somebody else on YouTube commented that he actually bought a unit from a dealer from, I think it was a show unit that had the smaller screen. Now then, whenever I opened up social media this morning, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Leisure Travel Vans had put out a social media post about the 2023 Unities and how each one of them comes standard with that 10.25-inch screen. Obviously, they are basically saying, yeah, Brandon, you're not correct. We are all ordered models are coming with the upgraded features, which is a good thing if you have one ordered or if you're about to get one. Because I do think that if you're going to pay that much money, especially with all the price increases that have happened, you need to get all of those features: adaptive cruise control, the large screen, every bell and whistle that you possibly can. So I'm actually going to give a shout out to, or give a shout to Leisure Travel Vans next week and just clarify, and I'll make sure that I put that in an upcoming video, whatever answer I got from them. But at this point, it looks like you probably should not be worried about that. So if you have one ordered, or if you're about to get one in production, I would call and just say, hey, am I getting all of the chassis features, the big screen, adaptive cruise, all of that stuff. So anyway, so I just wanted to clarify that. Now then, I've got some news as well. We were on our second sellout of all of our Skylight insulated covers, and those will be in again soon, back in stock, and we are all, having a wait list again. So if you want to get on the wait list to get your insulated Skylight cover, get going for the 2023 RV season, we'll get on that wait list and you will be notified the second that we are ready to get those back out to you guys. And so I've gotten so many people saying they are such a game changer during the summer and the winter, because it really keeps that weak link in your RV insulation, which is that Skylight. It keeps it nice and insulated. So that link is right there. But with that being said, I'm not sure if I'll do another video before Christmas or not, but if we don't do another video, have a very Merry Christmas. And we are really excited. I feel kind of weird doing a LTV related video wearing my Airstream sweatshirt, so I'll make up for it by wearing an LTV shirt in my next Airstream video. So anyway, but with that being said, thanks again for watching. This year has been fantastic. We had a great RV season and hope you did too. Or if you've been waiting on your Leisure Travel Van, hope you were able to live vicariously through this channel and others and social media and everything. And I can't wait for you to get yours so you can start living your adventures as well. With that being said, we'll see you next time.